Hi, my name is Cece Lewis, and I am the head coach for the girls swim and dive team here at Hill Murray. This is my second year as the head coach. However, I swam on the team when I went to school here from grades 7 through 12. So I swam on the team for 7 years. And I've been teaching science here at Hill Murray for the past 4 years, so I have been part of the community for a very long time. What I love about our team is the community. And I know you hear a lot about the community here at Hill Murray, but our team is awesome. We have great captains, we have great leaders, the girls all get along, it's not cliquey or anything like that. The girls are very inclusive with one another, and they just want to have fun, and they want to have a good time, and they also want to improve in their swimming or their diving. So we take girls from grades 7 through 12, and we accept girls of all abilities. So we have some girls that swim club year round. We have some girls that haven't swam or dove before. So it's fun to see the different abilities, and then it's fun to see the girls actually help one another to get better and improve their technique and make sure that they're doing like faster flip turns, or they're hitting that tuck position on your dive, those kind of things. It's really cool to see the girls helping one another. And again, just fostering that family atmosphere. So myself and my assistant coaches value athletes as a whole person. So of course, we're definitely competitive and we want to win, but it's more important to us that the girls know that we care about them and we want to see them improve, and winning is just secondary to that. And so seeing them, making sure that they're working on their technique, making better choices in terms of being more effective in the water or on the diving board is way more important. So we like to emphasize that a lot with the girls. And along with that, so we want to develop their skills in the water and outside the water. So things like a strong work ethic, having perseverance, especially on like the 500 or those sets in practice that just seem to take forever, just making sure that they persevere through it and they know that the harder they work, the better payouts they'll have later. And also emphasizing good sportsmanship and just how you treat others, even if they're not on your team. And finally, swimming and diving. So it's something that girls can do for the rest of their lives, especially swimming. And so it's fun to see them gain these skills and techniques and this love for the water that can take them, they can keep doing it for years and years, because swimming it's not bad like for your joints like running can be. So yeah, so if you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information will be at the end of this video. Thank you.